Best beard trimmer is offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best beard trimmer from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. The Hatteker trimmer offers stainless steel blades that self-sharpen with each trim. They also won't rust or irritate your skin, as they are non-corrosive and rounded at the end. The strong and powerful motor means this trimmer will cut through any beard, no matter how thick it is. Impressively, the rechargeable battery runs for an hour, as well as being charged via USB. Charging through a USB port means it can be charged almost anywhere, making it an extremely portable trimmer, great for travel. The Hatteker is undoubtedly designed as a cordless trimmer, with its long battery life. However, it can be used corded, if you prefer it that way. It also comes with one hair trimmer attachment, a nose, ear attachment, a body groomer attachment, and 6 different guide combs. Already top-notch, the trimmer takes it one step further by being fully waterproof. This makes it easy to clean, and can also be used in the shower, if you want to. The reinforced trimming guards are high quality, and the trimmer itself has a reliable and comfortable feel overall, as well as lightweight. Number 2. Panasonic beard trimmer. Panasonic beard trimmer for men. Cordless precision power, with a high-performance 9,800 cuts per minute linear hair machine motor. The Panasonic beard trimmer for men or SB40K quickly and comfortably grooms beards, mustaches, and hair. An ergonomic, rubberized grip and 19 adjustable clipper and trimmer settings. The SB40K men's facial trimmer offers an improved cutting edge with ultra-sharp stainless steel, hypoallergenic wide-tip blades to help lift, capture, and cut neatly through even the unruliest hair, including whiskers that lie flat on the skin. The rechargeable trimmer can be used cordless for up to 60 minutes, or plugged into any AC outlet for extended use. The Panasonic men's hair and beard trimmer are 100% washable, and cleans quickly under running water. Like all Panasonic wet-dry shavers and beard and hair trimmers for men, the blade should be replaced when dull for the best beard trimmer performance. The Panasonic SB40K includes a comb attachment, cleaning brush, blade oil, AC adapter charger and universal voltage for international travel. AC 100 to 240 volts. Number 3. Wahl Clipper stainless steel lithium-ion beard and nose rechargeable trimmer for men. Starting off our list of the best beard trimmers for long beards is the Wahl 9818. Produced by one of the top brands in the business, the Wahl 9818 immediately catches the eye with its sleek, chic, sophisticated design. It has a smooth modern finish with a comfortable body that fits nicely in the hand, shipping with a range of useful and multifunctional attachments and extras to offer a lot of versatility and trimming options. The Wahl 9818 may have a high price tag, but when you see all it can do and just how effective it is, you realize what a great value beard trimmer it really is. As well as being a beard trimmer, the Wahl 9818 also doubles up as a nose trimmer, coming with a special nose trimming attachment. It also ships with hair clippers and a detail shaver, allowing you to shave and trim all over the body, getting the perfect length you need. The Wahl 9818 has a super strong lithium-ion plus battery too. It has a 3-minute quick charge feature, allowing you to charge it up speedily whenever you're in a rush, as well as boasting an impressive maximum battery runtime of 4 hours. It's one of the longest-lasting beard trimmers out there, able to run over and over without any interruptions. It isn't waterproof, unfortunately, but apart from that, it's an all-round winner. Number 4. Hatteker Men Hair Clipper Beard Trimmer. Hatteker Men Hair Clipper Beard Trimmer is 13 attachments for all of your grooming needs: a full-size steel trimmer, extra-wide hair trimmer, a steel precision trimmer, a nose and ear hair trimmer, a body trimmer, an adjustable beard trimmer comb, 3/4 5/6 mm, a precision dial, 4 hair trimmer combs, 3/6 9/12 mm, adjustable comb, a half 4/6 8 10 12 14 16 mm, for a precision trimmer, a styling comb. The trimmer's precise steel blades create clean, straight lines and evenly trim through the thickest hair. The non-corrosive blades won't rust, preventing skin irritation. The high-powered rechargeable battery delivers 60 minutes of use per charge. Battery capacity, charging state of the battery, is displayed in percent, lock symbol. Number 5. Panasonic Cordless Men's Beard Trimmer with Precision Dial. There are so many different beard trimmers out there, all with their own features, functionality, and price tags. If you're looking for one of the best value beard trimmers on the market today, look no further than the Panasonic GB40S, available at an amazing price. This high-quality, super precise beard trimmer is all you need to get the job done. The first thing you notice about this beard trimmer is its unique, curvy design that fits snugly in the hand. Next, you can see that the Panasonic GB40S functions a little differently to many other beard trimmers out there. The blades are at a 45-degree angle and made of only the finest stainless steel, allowing for a super clean and close shave whenever you need it. The Panasonic GB40S works so flawlessly at cutting beards, mustaches, and other hair quickly and cleanly. The battery life is a little bit of a drawback, with an overall runtime of just 50 minutes, but it's still better than many of the alternatives out there. Plus, the Panasonic GB40S is fully waterproof too, so you can use it on wet hair or take it into the shower, taking advantage of its 19 different length settings to get the look you crave. It also ships with a charging stand for your convenience, as well as a cleaning brush. Best Beard Trimmer is offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best beard trimmer from trustworthy brands to a nation. Be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video.